This is the new Archer artillery system FH-77 BWL-52 plastic model kit from Hobby Boss in 1/35th scale. This model represents what happens when a piece of quarry plant machinery has a makeover into an incredible war machine. Have a watch of this video to see what this is all about and how you can buy this impressive kit with a discount code from Jaglam. Okay, this is the Archer FH-77 BWL-52, a Swedish self-propelled howitzer built by BAE Systems Bofors that looks like a battleship that made love to a dump truck near a rock face and had a child. It's not just a gun, it's a fully automated drive up and annihilate anything machine that can be operated by one miserable old sod sitting safely inside an armoured cab. In the age of drones and instant retaliation, this thing is basically cheating. Underneath all that aggression is a modified Volvo A30D 6x6 articulated hauler you will find in a quarry or on the side of a new motorway in development, basically moving stones or mud. In fact, I have driven one in my youth when I just left college. But this upgraded version though has an armoured cab, bulletproof windows and the engine's protected like it's carrying the crown jewels. The dump body has been removed to house a gun with extra seats so it can hold 3 or 4 crew members who will sit inside drinking coffee or aquavit whilst the gun does all the work. There's even a remote controlled 7.62mm machine gun on the roof, the Lima, so they can tell anyone who gets too close to bugger off without even opening a door. The main event though is this 52 caliber 155mm gun. That means the barrel is 52 times longer than its 155mm diameter, a standard big gun size for artillery, developed from the old toed FH-77 that the Swedes, Indians and a few Nigerians still use, but now it's mobile, angry and ridiculously clever. It's got inertial navigation, muzzle velocity radar and a fire control system that basically aims itself. Direct fire? Yes, up to 2 kilometers, and why not? It holds 20 rounds with another 20 ready. Fire 3 in 15 seconds, 20 in 2.5 minutes, or a steady 75 per hour if you're feeling particularly vengeful. The range? This thing can do up to 40 kilometers with standard shells and 35 with the bonus top attack smart munitions, and with the GPS guided M982 Excalibur up to 60 kilometers. That's not artillery, that's posting precision guided postcards saying with love and high explosives. Now, looking at the development, the Swedes started in 2003. Built these prototypes, fired them in 2005 and 2006, then spent years fiddling about. Norway joined in, ordered 24, then got bored with the delays in 2013 and stormed off and went and bought South Korean self-propelled howitzers instead. Bit like buying a Hyundai, or Hyundai as they keep telling us.
It's Hyundai, by the way.
The Swedes, though, they just shrugged it and carried on, and the first proper Archers entered service in February 2016. So better late than ever, eh? Now, when it comes to mobility, this thing is absolutely mental. The top speed on roads is 70 kilometers per hour. It can plough through a metre of snow, drops a big hydraulic stabiliser at the back, fires, then packs up and disappears in under 30 seconds. It can fit in a C-17 Globemaster or an A400M. It can be put on a train and it can drive across country like it's late for a very important war. Now, when it comes to protection, this thing nails it. It withstands 7.62mm bullets, armour-piercing rounds, anti-mine threats, and nuclear, biological and chemical hazards. So the crew are probably safer than you are in a Volvo XC90 or in a Hyundai.
It's Hyundai, by the way.
In a world where standing still with whopping big guns gets you turned into scrap metal by drones, this Archer doesn't just stand still. It shows up like a very polite Swedish gentleman with Henge on the back, ruins your entire regiment, and vanishes like a very expensive but frightening Swedish ghost. It's brilliant, ruthless, and damn efficient. Everything Sweden is, except with an added 60-kilometre reach and a very bad attitude. So, who actually owns these wonderful Swedish war machines? Well, Sweden kept 26 on the old Volvo chassis. 14 went to the British Army in 2023-2024 as a rush job after we gave our AS-90s to the Ukraine. 8 more were donated straight to the Ukraine, and they're loving them over there. Ukrainian crews who used to slave away on those old Soviet D-20s call it sniper artillery. One shot, one kill, automated, fast, terrifying. They've already used them to smash those Russian D-20s, a 2S-19 MSTA-S, and generally make life unpleasant for the invaders. Well, of course, one did get bonked by a Russian loitering munition near Kupiansk, I think it's Kupiansk, back in February in 2024. Russians said it was scrap. Ukrainians said, it's fine, we'll fix it. And we've all been there with Swedish flat pack furniture. Right, but let's have a look at this scale model kit. This is not the actual Archer FH-77 BWL-52. That would be far too expensive and probably get me arrested. This is the Hobby Boss 1/35th scale version, a plastic model kit so ridiculously detailed it makes you wonder why the Swedes didn't just build the real thing out of sprues and Tamiya extra thin. Just look at this monster, over 490 parts, with a lot of them slide molded for an easier build. 11 sprues, lovely rubberized tyres with proper tread, photo etch bits for all the fiddly nonsense, proper brass tubes, decal sheet and a bloody masking set. This thing is over 40 centimetres long, and that's not a model, that's a weapon of mass desk decoration. So, let's have a quick gander at the sprues and everything else inside this box. See, told you it was impressive. That's a hell of a lot of plastic with all the mod cons you could ever need, minus 3D printed wheels, which are available too, and I'll leave a link in the description where you can get them on the Jadlam website. You will basically be building the full fat Swedish artillery sniper on that Volvo A30D chassis, armoured cab, remote gun on top, that massive 155mm L-52 gun that can reach out and ruin someone's entire day from 60 kilometers away in real life. In this 1/35th scale, you get to build the automatic magazine, the hydraulic stabilizer, all the lovely Swedish engineering that makes it shoot and scoot faster than a biker being chased by the old Bill. Hobby Boss looked at this mad Swedish gun truck and thought, right, let's make modelers cry with joy and mild frustration. They've tooled it properly, refined surface detail, excellent tyres, the works. Some people are already complaining on forums about having to build their own tail shafts with microscopic universal joints, but hey, welcome to scale modelling, sunshine. If it were easy, they would sell it at Toys R Us. There are options that make this thing look menacing. You can pose it in firing position with the big leg down, or on the move, or ready to leg it before the enemy reacts. Paint it in Swedish green, British Army markings, or Ukrainian mud. It works for all of them. And unlike the real one that costs $500 million for a fleet, this one is yours for the price of a decent dinner for a family of 4, and just add several evenings of your life to build it. And you can buy it cheaper by using the code I've been given for this review. I asked Jadlam for one of these kits, and I asked if they could help us out a bit. They gave me a discount on this kit and then decided to give a discount code so you can get it for the same price I bought it for. So they're offering it to my viewers for £64.99, a bargain. Just use the code MozArcher at the checkout, which gives you £25 off the price of this kit on the Jadlam site. And let me know when you buy one. In a world full of boring tank models of endless Tiger 1s or Shermans, things with individual linked tracks and manufactured by all and sundry, Hobby Boss has given us something genuinely modern, genuinely clever, genuinely different, and genuinely terrifying. A wheeled self-propelled howitzer that can deliver precision-guided misery while driving away at 70 kilometers an hour, and in miniature. It's brilliant, it's Swedish, and of course, flat-packed in a box. Thank you, Sweden. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, what you think about this kit. Is it something that you're interested in and it was a little bit out of range of your price? Because I have seen it for sale at scale model shows for about £99. But at the moment, Jadlam have it on for £89, and they've given you that discount code that knocks £25 off the price of this kit. If you are building it, let me know in the comments how you got on with it. It's there for me to build when I get around to it, but I'm looking forward to getting it on my workbench and having a build. Having a bit of a session on it. Maybe I'll do it as a live stream build. I don't know. But yeah, it looks fantastic. Well done, Hobby Boss, for giving us something a little bit different to build. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, click all to be notified when I release a new video. It really helps the channel, and it's completely free to be a subscriber. In one of the four corners will be a playlist or another video of content on my channel that you may like, and hopefully I will see you over there.
No, I just wanna say hello.